If you have a sink that drains slowly or not at all, you probably have a clogged drain. Daryl, what are some of the typical causes of clogged drains?
Well, your most typical causes are grease, food, or hair.
So basically we want to make sure that nothing other than water gets down our drains, correct?
Absolutely.
So how do we accomplish that, Daryl? How do we keep foreign objects from going down to our drains?
Well, the first thing you can do, and one of the easiest things you can do, is get a basket style strainer like this one right here, and this will catch any debris or food or anything that goes down the drain that you shouldn't have down there. It's very visual, you can see it, and it's easy to clean.
Awesome. Now, let's say something did get past that and it's clogged up the drain and the sink is backing up. What do we do to clear that up?
Well, the first thing you can do is you want to try to plunge the kitchen sink. So
Right.
you want to put the plug in the one side of the double kitchen sink like this one here. You want to put some water on it for some head pressure so your plug doesn't pop out while you're trying to plunge the sink.
Good tip.
You want to get your plunger in here on a 45 on the side you're plunging and try to put in some water and get any air out of the plunger that you can and start plunging the sink. As you're plunging, when you go to release, you want to pop the plunger up to give it that extra push to push anything out of the P-trap.
That's a great tip. Now, if the clog persists, it may be time to call a professional. If you're experiencing a stubborn clog that you just can't clear, Reliance is here to help.